There's been a set of challenges with regard to reopening schools in New Jersey, but what about for students with disabilities? One New Jersey school for the disabled has decided to reopen 5 days a week beginning September 8th.
We're giving it our best shot. We have great plans in place to be safe and remain safe and follow all the guidelines that the Department of Education has put out.
The Collier Youth Services program serves approximately 200 students over 85 school districts for those whose needs cannot be met with the public school system.
Our students have a variety of disabilities. So we have students that come to us with behavioral, academic, and emotional challenges.
The campus is over 260 acres, so they are certain that they can properly social distance.
Our school's going to look different. We have a lot of safety measures in place. All students and staff are required to have masks. We're not allowing activities, clubs to start. We have fewer students in each classroom. We have a beautiful campus, many buildings. So to social distance, to spread students out. Our bus arrival's different, our departure's different. The way that students are learning will look a little bit different.
But how can they ensure that the students can follow the rules that they need to in order to stay safe and practice good hygiene?
People with disabilities often can't follow the same sort of prevention techniques. They don't do well with personal hygiene, perhaps. They don't all do well with keeping socially distant. They don't understand social distance. So those sorts of things, learning to wear a mask for the first time ever. Some people with disabilities just fear masks in general. They fear any kind of face covering. So now to have to wear it to participate in the community is just a huge challenge for folks.
Oftentimes, caregivers aren't as well trained and well versed to be able to deal with the circumstances that present. So it presents a little bit more of a challenge.
Remote learning is an option here too, of course, but the directors believe the best thing for students is to be back on campus.
They need the one-on-one interaction. They need the social skills, being with other students. Many of our students are anxious about being in school. So, of course, the best way to address that is to gradually expose them to a school setting. So them being home is detrimental.
But one thing that they can all agree on is Governor Murphy's decision to reopen schools was not an easy one.
It's an impossible task. I'm on the Board of Education in my town, so I know full well that there's 100 different views on this topic, and the data is different. So there's no way to win.
Reporting from Wickatunk for New Jersey News Network, I'm Kimberly Kravitz.